Hi, welcome to Newsphere. Today we're going to be making a popsicle stick picture frame. For my materials, I have colored popsicle sticks. You could also just use plain ones. I have some pipe cleaners. These are optional. I have buttons, also optional. Some glitter, optional as well, and then some white glue. First thing we're going to do is I'm going to take 2 popsicle sticks. So I'll grab 2 red ones. And I'm going to use pipe cleaners just for some extra decoration. So I'm going to take a pipe cleaner and wrap it around these popsicle sticks. Again, these are optional. You don't have to use pipe cleaners if you don't want or if you don't have any. But if you do and you'd like to add them for decoration, you could wrap them around like this. So I've got 1 popsicle stick wrapped in a pipe cleaner, and now I'm going to take my other pipe cleaner and wrap it around this popsicle stick. You could also wrap ribbon or yarn around for decoration. Okay, there we go. So I've got these 2 popsicle sticks wrapped in my pipe cleaners. Next, I'm going to take 2 more popsicle sticks. So I think I'll use 2 more red ones. And these 4 are going to be the outside of our picture frame. So I'm going to put some glue here and here on each end of these 2 popsicle sticks. And I'm going to glue these other 2 popsicle sticks right on the ends like this. Little wobbly. There we go. Okay. Next, I'm going to grab a couple more popsicle sticks. So I'm going to use some yellow. And I'm going to put glue right here. So just like a popsicle stick width down on these 2 on the sides. So we're kind of layering up. But of course, if you want, you could just stop right here and you could have a picture frame just this size. So, but I'm going to keep building. So I'm going to put a yellow popsicle stick there. Another one here. And if you have time, you could always just pause after each time you've glued a popsicle stick down to kind of let it dry. Okay, so now I'm gonna layer again. So I'm gonna put another dab of glue right here, popsicle stick width in on my yellow ones. I'm gonna grab orange now. For my next layer. Okay, so if you'd like, at this point you could add another layer like this, especially if you have a really small picture you want to put in there. But I'm going to leave it this size. So I've just used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 popsicle sticks. And now you can be done if you'd like, or if you want to decorate it a little bit more. I'm going to glue some buttons on mine. See, how about a green button? Another green button. I'll put a button here and a button here. For another lot of glue. Like that. And if you want, you could add some glitter make a little wiggly line with my glue. Pour a little glitter on. Ah, now there's gonna be glitter everywhere. All right, so now I got a super sparkly picture frame. So yeah, now once you're done decorating, you just want to let it dry for probably like maybe even 15 to 20 minutes just to make sure it's super dry. And of course you could add more decorations. You could glue on beads or sequins, more buttons, more glitter. And then once it's dry, you're just gonna flip it over. And then you'll just take your photo and glue it right in here on the yellow. Or you could glue it on the red, the back of your photo. And then you'll have a beautiful decorated picture frame with a photo in it. So that is our popsicle stick picture frame. Thanks for watching, guys.